Hey guys, for everybody new on this channel, my name is Marco from MarkTekk. I review audio gear for content creators, Twitch streamers, YouTubers, gamers, you name it, for everybody that likes this sort of stuff and would of course like to know if something is worth their money or not. The Pamu Slide wireless earbuds. All right, let's go. Let's first take a look at what comes inside the box. Right, a little plastic wrapper, which we do not need. This is how the case looks like basically. It's a pretty nice packaging. And yeah, this is how the box looks like. It's called a slide because it has a slide mechanism, as you can see. These are the contact pins. That's how you charge the earbuds. Okay, so if you take a look at this earbud, you see this white light? That means it's trying to pair up with my phone, which is right over here next to me. If I put them inside a box, they snap right inside. That's because they have a magnetic sort of lock, which locks them in place. What the red light means is they are right now in charging mode, so they're charging up. The box is pretty heavy. It's made out of, I would say, hard plastic, so it's pretty durable. There's if you turn the the case around like this, it does offer you the capability of charging your phone, but that's just for quick little charges. The phone itself, my phone, it doesn't offer wireless charging, so I can really use that feature, but I don't really care about it that much. It has a nice sort of grill on top of it. It's like a mesh. It looks and feels nice. Yeah, this is pretty much what comes in the box. And one other thing that I would like to mention is, if you open this up, there's this little box. This is basically the accessories box, and this is what's inside the accessories box, guys. Just a few different versions of the buds themselves. If the original ones don't fit, this comes down to personal preference, but I did find that the black ones fit me a little bit better. The Pamus have a 2000 milliamp battery inside of it. That means about 60 hours of total music time. For me, for one charge, it's around 10 to 11 hours before you get that annoying low battery voice inside of your earbuds, and you have to put them back in their case in order to recharge them. So how do these sound? I think that for vocals, they're really, really great. They're present, they're there, they're pretty smooth. I don't get tired of listening to audiobooks and music, like pop or rock. I could listen to them for hours. But if somebody's looking for earbuds that deliver a lot of bass, just go and look somewhere else. These do not have that. So these are definitely not for you if you want to go in that area, all right? So should you buy them or not? That's the question, right? Are they worth the money? That depends, really. If you want to use them for your sports activities, I wouldn't really recommend them. They just sleep out too much for that type of use. But if you're like me, casual listener, likes to listen to audiobooks or some music from time to time, yeah, they're pretty good. If you're not into heavy sports, they work well enough. They don't fall out, So for that type of use, I would still recommend them. But they still have some issues. These earbuds, a lot of people have been saying, like things like they died on me after 1 month. I can't pair them anymore. Stuff like that. I've been seeing that on a lot of YouTube comments. So just keep that in mind. There might be a quality control issue. I'm not really sure. I might just be a lucky guy. Who knows? And there are still some issues. I personally experienced one of those is, this earbuds sometimes lose connection, or they start to have a funky connection. What I mean by that is, you're listening to something and basically, the sound starts to cut out, or it starts to be muffled, and that is annoying. It usually just fixes that by itself. One other thing I noticed is they sometimes they do not want to pair, and how I fix it is, I don't fix it just by basically cutting off my Bluetooth connection on my phone. That usually does not help. What does help is I put the earbuds back in their case here. I close the lid so they start pairing back up, and after a few seconds I open the lid back up, I put them in my ear, and then they pair normally. So basically they have to sort of reconnect with their charging case for some reason for the pairing to work again. I don't know why that is the case, but that is what works for me. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, click that subscribe button. That in turn helps me grow. And if you're interested in a microphone review, I do have a mic review on my channel. Make sure to watch that, all right? Just click on that window over there and watch it. If you're looking for an SM58 mic, I think I made a good review, something you guys will enjoy. Okay, see you next time.